Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Antonia. Hope you guys are doing well. I just got a very exciting package. I am an avid Facebook Marketplace dweller. I just love going on Facebook Marketplace and scrummaging around and seeing what I can find. And I recently found this wonderful piece that I have to share with you guys. It was supposed to deliver tomorrow, but I am at home right now and I got a creepy little knock on the door. It is raining cats and dogs, and I looked over and I saw this man just towering over. It kind of freaked me out, but lo and behold, he was delivering this item. So I'm excited to unbox it with you guys. We're going to do it together because how exciting is this? I will talk about my experience on shopping Facebook Marketplace because this was shipped to me afterwards, but let's just go through what I got. So I paid $450 for this. The seller was very lovely, to be honest. And in my opinion, when you talk to sellers, you really do need to be a little bit careful. Okay, packaged in another thing. This is really freaking me out. Okay, really nicely packaged. The item is here. I'm so happy because I had a little bit of a worry that they would be scamming me, but they did not scam me. Look at what I purchased. I'm so excited. This is a vintage Takashi Murakami Cerise Collection Agenda PM. Oh, they included notes and stuff. I didn't expect that. I really didn't think she was gonna give me any extras and little stickers. That's so sweet. I have to message them now because I was gonna use this as a junk journal. And this is perfect because there's just like some random little cards in there. I'm so excited. So this was made in Spain, it says here, made in Spain. And the date code does match up really nicely. She has it in quite good condition. Some of the cherries with the vintage collection is rubbing off, but for the most part, it looks pretty good. On eBay, they retail for over $1,000 for this. So she listed it for $500. And then I asked her if she'd be willing to do $450. And then I asked her because she lives 2 hours away from me. So I asked if she would be willing to ship it to me, included with the $450. She said, you know what, no problem. And then it was a done deal. It was sold. I e-transferred her and then she shipped it to me. Thank God it was not a scam. It is looking beautiful. With vintage Louis Vuitton, I'm pretty good at telling whether it is real or not. And this is just gorgeous. I'm so excited for it. My new Takashi Murakami piece. It is 2025, the year of Takashi Murakami for me. Wow, she's beautiful. I am going to restore her a little bit. There is some tarnishing here. And I do have a PM Agenda already that I use. And the button here just always tarnishes. It's just very, very normal. So I do have some Brazo stuff that I can put on there. But wow, that is just gorgeous. I'm so excited for this piece. It's amazing. Incredible. So that's my new Takashi Murakami Cerise piece. I don't have anything in this specific pattern. I bought the new, obviously, denim collection Takashi Murakami Cerise when it came out earlier this year, but I don't have anything in this monogram with the red cherries on it. It is probably one of my favorites. I just love all the Takashi Murakami prints, to be honest. They are so fun. It was really nerve-wracking ordering this because, one, I was sending $450 to a stranger, but two, like, there's so much trust that is ensued in that, and the seller was really, really communicative, which made me a little bit more comfortable. I find if you're going to buy anything off of Facebook Marketplace and you are talking to the person, if you got to ask questions, because if you're getting a weird vibe from them, and some people are just like that, they give weird vibes, then I wouldn't go through with the sale. But because she was very communicative, I said, hey, where did you buy it? Are you the first owner? And she was like, no, I got this pre-loved. Then I was like, okay. And then I did my little authentication checks on it, and it looked pretty solid, to be honest. So with that being said, oh, this one's also made in Spain. Interesting. With that being said, I'm probably going to go into Louis Vuitton and ask them to heat stamp this, because I love having a heat stamp on my items, and I don't plan to sell this piece at all because, of course, I'm a huge Takashi Murakami Louis Vuitton fanatic. I love Takashi Murakami and Louis Vuitton. I love the whole line. I wish they had more things this year in the monogram with cherries instead of that new white monogram with cherries. I thought the white monogram with cherries looked tacky, to be honest. It kind of looked cheap and very similar to Coach. Like Coach came out with a collection that was all white with the cherries on it. And I was just like, come on, guys. The classic monogram plus the cherries is so perfect. And the updated denim with the cherries was also perfection, but why didn't they release more of this? This is what I was waiting for in this act, like the act 3 that came out, because of course we had the multicolor, noir and blanc, and then we had the cherry blossoms, and then the cerise came out last. And a lot of the cerise stuff was like an umbrella, a fan, a beach chair. Like, it was really random items. Anyways, I'm very excited about this piece. Really happy to have it. I'm not a red lover, but I just love the red with the Takashi Murakami cherries. I think it's perfection. I love that they have little different faces. So freaking cute. So yeah, that is my unboxing. I'm having a huge TM year this year, and yeah, I think the vintage pieces are so fun to have. I would love to add a bag in this collection to my collection, but if not, really happy to have this Agenda PM that I'm going to turn into a junk journal. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram _HelloHarley. Follow me on TikTok @HelloHarley, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.